Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Dolores from Encanto on Dress to Impress. So I'm just going to remove everything except for, again, accessories. What did I just say? Accessories adjustment. I talk too fast sometimes. Select the updo and select this one. This one. In 5D, 4B, 3D. I just used this hair color actually. Toggle it to default. Then I also used this curly hair in that same color. Position the Y 0.76, Z 0.56, rotate the X to 0.33 and scale it to 0.23. 23. Use this headband and color it 934426. Actually, I'm just going to make it this red 862E12. And for the adjustments, position the Z 0.62, the X at 0.42 for the rotation and scale it to 0.47. Then I'm going to use this bow in that same color in the third toggle. I'm just going to make some adjustments here as well that I accidentally removed. Like that. For the outfit, we are going to use this here. Wait, where is it? And only top without chains, and we're going to color it this color, DCB886. And then for the skirt, let me just use these pants first in that red color. I'm going to make it a little bit darker though. And then the witch skirt in that same color. And then we're going to get the color from the set. Where is it? Oh, wrong one. I'm very sleepy, honestly. Just color here and color the first one the same and the second one. And then color that part orange. And then that color the same. You can make the bow orange if you want to. But I'm just going to leave it plain. And then, what else? Oh, for the earrings, I use these in that light orange color. And then this necklace in the orange color first, and then the rest is like that same red color. Can I not make it matte? Okay, I'm gonna just make it a little bit lighter so you can actually see it. For the shoes, I'm just going to wear the simple pointy shoes in that same, maybe in like a lighter red orange. I think it's like a brick color. And then if you have VIP, you can use this. If you don't have it, you don't need to. It's optional. So yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.